Hi everyone, today we're going to show you how to set up the Customer Review Analysis agent. This agent is really useful if you have an online business where you sell any products or services. As you probably already know, it's really great for SEO if you're regularly responding and interacting with reviews left on your products. What's useful about this agent is that when you give it a review to analyze, it will use the API to determine what the sentiment of your review is, pass on the sentiment, whether the review is positive, negative, or neutral, to an LLM prompt, and then based on the customer's feelings, it will give you 3 different options on how you can respond to that review. As you can see, there's a couple of different inputs that this agent takes. The only required input is the customer review. You can also tell it what type of product or service the review is for, but these attributes are not required for the agent to run. This agent uses an API by TwinWord, and it's the Sentiment Analysis API. And this is the free API to subscribe to. At least it has a free tier where you can make 9,000 requests per month. In order to access this API, we're going to go to the TwinWord website. And if you scroll to the bottom, it'll give you 2 different ways to use the API. In this tutorial, we're using it by subscribing on RapidAPI. Now, I'm already subscribed. You can see I'm subscribed to the basic tier. But if I was not, it would give me a prompt to subscribe and continue with sign up. Once you're finished signing up, you're going to go to your RapidAPI dashboard, click on Workspace, and scroll to the bottom. I'm going to click on the sentiment analysis, and here you can see that it gives me my API key. I'm going to go ahead and copy this API key. Click the tool icon, go to Headers, click Edit. I'm going to click on the key icon and select Add Key. Here I can paste in the RapidAPI key we just generated. And I'm also going to name it something that's easy to remember. We'll click Save. Then we click the check mark to save the changes to this component. And that's all we needed to do to set up the agent. Now, to run the agent, I'm first going to go and copy a review for SmythOS. Next, I'm going to turn on debug mode. I'm going to click on the bug icon. I'm going to paste in our customer review, and I'm also going to say what product it was for. And then I'm going to click Step in order to run the first part of the agent. Now, you can see that it passed on the customer review to the Sentiment Analysis API, and it also passed on the products to our LLM prompt. I'm going to click the Set button again, and now we can see that the LLM prompt had the customer review, and it also has the sentiment analysis from the API. So we can see this is a positive review. Now I'm going to click Step one last time to generate our response from the LLM prompt. And now when we hover over Reply, we can see that the agent successfully generated the sentiment analysis and also the review responses. I hope you find this agent easy to set up and helpful. As always, please let us know if you have any feedback. See you next time.